Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. The FIFA World Cup 2026 is almost here, bringing unforgettable goals, dramatic finishes, and some of the biggest football matches in the world. But what if you don't have a cable subscription or you're away from home when the tournament starts? So, the good news is that there are several ways to watch World Cup matches online without paying for a traditional TV package. So, in this video, I'll explain some of the free broadcasting options available in different countries and how travelers can continue accessing their usual streaming services while abroad. So, if you're located in United Kingdom, two popular options are BBC iPlayer and ITVX. So, these platforms typically share major football coverage, allowing viewers with the appropriate TV licensing requirements to stream matches online at no additional cost. For viewers in Australia, SBS On Demand is another platform that often provides extensive tournament coverage, making it a convenient choice for watching matches live. And in the United States, some games may be available through free streaming services connected to major broadcasters. However, a large portion of tournament coverage is usually carried by television networks that require access through a TV provider or streaming subscription. One challenge many fans face is regional restrictions. Streaming platforms often limit access to viewers located within specific countries. This means that if you're traveling internationally, you may discover that your usual service is unavailable. To solve this issue, many people use a virtual private network, commonly known as a VPN. A VPN allows you to connect through a server in another location, making it appear as through you're browsing from that country. So, besides helping users access services that they normally use at home while traveling, VPNs can also add an extra layer of privacy and security when browsing online. So, using a VPN is generally straightforward. First, you could install a VPN application on your preferred device, whether that's a smartphone, computer, tablet, or smart TV. If you're using browser, you can simply search for a VPN extension and simply download the VPN extension that you need. And then you're going to simply go here and activate the VPN. Simply click on VPN. So once you have started the VPN, you'll be able to see the countries. So you're going to simply click on change over here if you want to change any country. But for watching FIFA matches, you should switch to the United States. So those were some of the most common ways football fans can watch FIFA World Cup matches online and stay connected to their favorite broadcasters while traveling.